Niger's Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you all doing great. Welcome back to my channel, my wonderful subscribers, my Message family. Guys, thanks for my channel. Thanks for lovely comments on my videos. I really appreciate all your comments. Thank you guys. You know that your comment always gives me joy. Keep supporting my channel. I really appreciate all my organic subscribers. You guys are wonderful. Thank you. Guys, you see I'm still having my jacket. I just finished school run and I tried to pass Brico to get this heater because guys, the weather has changed. Last night I was really I was freezing. I couldn't sleep, because our heating system developed fault. Yeah, when we moved initially in this house, the heating system was really great. It was really warm, but now we try to on it and it's not giving what they used to give. It's not heating at all. So it's really light and the weather has changed. We were so cold last night. So we called the company to come and check what is wrong with the heater. Guys, guess what? They gave us an appointment on the 18th of December. Guys, we cannot wait till that time because we're gonna be really, really cold. I don't want us to my kids to fall sick, So I have I have heater, old heater before. I put that one in my kids' room, and then I just got to the Bricorama to buy this one for myself and my husband, so that we will not fall sick. So I'm gonna unbox the heater with you guys, okay? Let's do it together, okay? This heater is a special heater because I asked questions. They said it's a special heater. It doesn't consume electricity, so that we will not accumulate bills before our system will be working. So let's do it together, okay? This kind of heater, we bought this kind of heater before a long time ago. We were having, I think it was a 4, but we threw them because we didn't need it. We have a heating system that's really doing great. But now I'm obliged to go and buy this heater again. I think I got this heater for less than 100 euros. Yeah, less than 100 euros. Yeah, I got this heater. It's really nice. So let's unbox it so that I will not do too much talking. Thank you guys. Let's unbox it. Let's do it. After school runs, that's what I still have my jacket because I think let me just do the unboxing before anything, Ooh, I almost enjoy myself. I guess this my knife is too big. But we'll manage it. We'll manage it too. Yes guys, we'll manage it. Look at the heater. I hope it's really heating well the way they explain it. I hope so. I don't know why I decided to do this unboxing here, but it's okay. I hope you guys can manage and see the heater. Look at it. Look at the heater. I guess it's gonna be the screws, they just put it like that. Wow, we're gonna do the unboxing together. We are on it. Wow. Let's do it. Wow, look at the heater, guys. Look at the heater. I'm gonna manage this one before they will come and fix our heater. These are the screws. This is the leg. I hope I can fix the legs. I hope so. I hope I can fix the leg. Gonna do it this way. Let's see if I can fix the leg. If I cannot fix the leg, then my boys will fix it when they come back from school. Where is the other leg? Very good. Fell down. Okay, yeah, he's here. He's here. Got it. I got it. So let's try to fix it, okay? Let's try to fix the legs. I hope I can fix it. I really hope I can fix it. Yeah. I really hope I can fix it so that it will be. So we'll start doing the job. I have to raise it up. Okay, I have to raise it up this way. Yes. Better this way. Yes. I got it. Let's fix it together. Let's fix the legs together. Don't think it's difficult. Let me just try. Let's try. It's good to try.
Fashion designing, I be fashion makeup. We give a better shout out, unboxing beautiful items.
Yes.
Just in a shop plug. No. Just got the talent, though. Yeah. No. She got the talent, though. If you don't know about Joycey, my brother, you are missing a lot. If you haven't heard about Joycey, my sister, you are missing a lot.
Yes.
There's such talent, though. Now why people just relate, though.
Let me put something on that. Yeah.
No. Joycey got the talent, though. Yeah. No.
Yes.
She got the talent, though. They think she sabi do. Yeah, her channel. No. She got the talent, though. She can bake occasional cake. She sabi cook delicious meal. She can make it. I've been a flux. Fashion designing. I be fashion makeup. We give a better shout out, unboxing beautiful items. Just in a shop plug. No. Joycey got the talent, though. Yeah. No. She got the talent, though. If you don't know about Joycey, my brother, you are missing a lot. If you haven't heard about Joycey, my sister, you are missing a lot. There's such talent, though. Now why people just relate, though. Now why? No. Joycey got the talent, though. Yeah. No. She got the talent, though. No. Joycey got the talent, though. Yeah. No. She got the talent, though. They think she sabi do. Via her channel. No. She got the fashion designing, I be fashion makeup. We give a better shout out, unboxing beautiful items. Joycey na shop love.
One of the leg is done.
Joycey got the talent though.
One is done. I'm happy.
She get the talent though.
And the other one,
Joycey got the talent though.
love this.
She get the talent though. Shout out
Tell down,
to
guys.
Queen Joycey, Queen of December.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
She's so creative,
Yes, we can.
motive, positive, and always active. CEO, JGT Exotic African Shop. One love.
I got the method how to do it now. First try is not the easiest.
Hey,
Now it's
Alza,
very easy. It's very easy.
Joycey,
Just
Belele
like
Bejolo,
everything.
Ubebeke,
Very easy.
Achalugo
like
one,
everything.
Okuro Chokarisia.
You guys cannot
Hey,
do the second one,
nwanyị ọma,
but send
nwanyị nwere akara aka, Chukwu ji akara aka chọọ mma. Hey, ụbọcha, ugobo di ya, elelebe ji ọlụ, ị ma na nwanyị bụ sọ mma. Joycey got the talent though. She get the talent though. If you don't know about Joycey,
Wow, I'm loving
my
this.
brother, you are missing a lot.
I hope you guys
If you
can
haven't heard about Joycey, my sister, you are missing a lot.
look at it. Wow.
Chukwunyere such talent though. Now why people just they relate though? Now why? Joycey got the talent though.
So nice.
She get the talent though. They think she sabi do.
Anytime.
Via her channel. Oh no. She got the talent though. She can bake occasional cake.
You like
She sabi cook delicious meal. She can make it. I've been a flux. Fashion designing.
Wow.
I be fashion makeup. We give a better shout out. Unboxing beautiful items. Joycey na shop love.
Wow. Wow.
Joycey got the talent though.
Guarantee. Look at it, guys. It's done. So,
She get the
it
talent
doesn't make
though.
sense to you.
If you don't
Give a
know
thumbs
about
up and
Joycey,
leave your comment.
my brother,
Spotify,
you
you
are
like my
missing
video?
a lot.
Subscribe
If
to
you
my channel
haven't
for
heard
more of my interesting videos.
about Joycey,
Okay? Bye
my
bye. See
sister,
you guys
you
on
are
my next
missing a
video.
lot.
Let me know if you
Kunyere
can also
such
fix your Insta
talent
by yourself.
though. Now
Yeah,
why
the electric
people just
guitar.
they relate though.
Bye.